Buying a house in Houston. Buying a house in Houston, Texas offers a range of options, from affordable homes to luxury properties. The city's strong economy, no state income tax, and diverse neighborhoods make it an attractive place to own property. However, the housing market is competitive, so proper research and planning are essential. 1. Current housing market trends in Houston. Median home price, around $324,900 as of early 2025. Home prices have increased over the past year, reflecting Houston's growing demand. Inventory levels are moderate, meaning buyers have decent options but should act quickly. Second best neighborhoods to buy a home in Houston. Houston offers a variety of neighborhoods catering to different lifestyles and budgets. Greater Heights, a trendy area with modern homes, median price around $649,945. Alief, a more affordable area with median home prices near $190,000. Cypress, a suburban area known for good schools and family-friendly communities. The Woodlands, a highly sought-after area with upscale homes and excellent amenities. Downtown and Midtown, ideal for those looking for city living and condos. 3 steps to buying a house in Houston. Step 1, determine your budget and get pre-approved. Check your credit score and debt-to-income ratio. Get pre-approved for a mortgage to understand your price range. Consider property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. Step 2, research the market and neighborhoods. Visit different neighborhoods to see which fits your lifestyle. Check for factors like school districts, crime rates, and amenities. Step 3, hire a real estate agent. A local Houston real estate agent can help find properties and negotiate offers. They also provide insights on market trends and upcoming listings. Step 4, browse listings and visit homes. Search online and visit open houses. Make a list of must-have features: bedrooms, yard space, garage, etc. Step 5, make an offer and negotiate. Submit a competitive offer based on market conditions. Be prepared for counter offers or bidding wars in high-demand areas. Step 6, home inspection and final steps. Get a professional home inspection to check for hidden issues. Review the title and financing details before closing. Finalize the purchase, sign documents, and get the keys to your new home. Fourth, financing and mortgage options in Houston. Conventional loans, best for buyers with strong credit and a solid down payment. FHA loans, ideal for first-time home buyers with lower down payment options. VA loans, available for military veterans with no down payment required. Texas first-time home buyer programs, assistance with down payments and closing costs. 5. Things to consider before buying. Property taxes in Texas are higher than the national average, so factor that into your budget. Houston has a humid climate, which may require homes with good HVAC and flood protection. Homeowners' insurance costs vary, depending on location and flood risk. 6. Is buying a home in Houston a good investment? Houston's real estate market has shown steady growth, making homeownership a good long-term investment. Rental demand is strong, meaning buying a house as an investment property can be profitable. With no state income tax, Texas remains a tax-friendly place to own a home. 7. Should you buy now or wait? If interest rates are favorable, it may be a good time to buy. If home prices continue rising, purchasing now could help avoid paying more later. Consider your financial stability and long-term plans before making a decision. Buying a house in Houston can be a great investment, but it requires proper financial planning, research, and market awareness. Whether you're looking for a starter home or a luxury property, taking the right steps ensures a smooth buying process.